Hello everyone, it's another lovely rainy day in England. I am back in Priory Gardens because yesterday I heard some news that blew my mind away. Today is the 15th of January and yesterday some of the lovely folk who come and visit the park every day have discovered that the resident Egyptian goose pair has had their babies. They discovered 9 little fluff balls with them, so now, in spite of this rain, I want to go and find them. So come with me. They were not on the green, not on the little pond or the large one. I think I know where they might be, unless they have hid somewhere for safety on the main island. Hello, 3 wise geese. Can you guide me towards the babies? Thank you. That way, okay. I found them. Hello, darlings. Hello. Let's see. 3, 6, 9. They're all there. They've seen 9 yesterday. We still have the 9. Well done, Mom and Dad. You just really rushed it. I believe this is the earliest they ever hatched their brood. They usually are the first ones to have their littlings, but it's usually mid-February, not mid-January. Well, they're really good parents. They have been at it for some years and they are usually successfully managing their little ones. Last year I think 9 hatched and 8 of them made it to adulthood, so they did a really good job. Just for those of you who maybe see these videos the first time, this pair is fondly called Rocky and Raquel. That's what they've been named by the lovely folk who come daily to the park and look after them and all the other lovely feathered creatures. Oh, I'm so happy to see them. They're gorgeous little fluff balls. They're very tiny. They are, yeah, like 2 days old. I don't want to go any closer, though they're very friendly and they're used to humans, as they're very small. I don't want to disturb them. Oh, my heart is full of joy. And I'm so happy I got to see you. Now, stay safe, all of you. And I hope to see you in a week's time. You'll be much bigger by then. Okay. Bye, lovelies.